Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send TRX from Phantom Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding TRX and want to move it to Bitmart for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and linked to your Tron TRX account. Also, ensure you have a verified Bitmart account ready to receive the funds. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those basics sorted. It's crucial for security. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets section and select TRX from your wallet balance. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, head over to your Bitmart account on their website or app. Go to the Deposit section, select TRX as the cryptocurrency, and copy the provided deposit address. Double-check this address. It's a game changer to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, click on the Send or Transfer option for your TRX. Paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and review any transaction fees. TRX transactions are usually fast and cheap on the Tron network, but fees can vary. Before confirming, take a moment to verify everything: the address, the amount, and your wallet's balance. Hit Send, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Approve it, and your TRX should be on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Bitmart account, depending on network congestion. And that's it. You've successfully transferred TRX from Phantom Wallet to Bitmart. Remember, crypto is all about staying safe, so never share your private keys and always use official apps. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.